guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So this is the May TBR video and I'm very happy. And if you're not watching my April wrap up, I have it on the iCards as well as on the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And if you're new here, please take some time and subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to click the bell icon if you really want my videos to get popped up. So without further delay, let's see what all I have for the month of May. I have some really good plans for me. So before we start this video, please stay home, stay safe, and please take care of your loved ones and yourself. Don't be very careless because the spread is huge and I think we have to break this chain and this spread by having a 2 weeks lockdown. I think in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu we are having this 2 weeks lockdown and in many parts of North, and that is Alia who's disturbing me. The first book which I have in my TBR is already completed and that is Tuesdays with Morrie. This book is a very good book. I recommend this book to anyone and I'm going to be talking in long about this book in my May wrap up, I guess, and I have some really lovely stuff to tell you guys about this book. And if you want to read a review, please follow me on Instagram so that you can see the post where I have the review to this book. And I am pulling Alia by not pushing the camera. So the next book which I have in my TBR and which I'm currently reading is The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. So this is a very popular book on Instagram and I came to know about this book through Bookstagram and I am reading this book on the Scribd app. So if you want to read any ebooks or if you want to listen to audiobooks for a 60 days of free trial, I have my link on my description box, so don't forget to check that out and take a 60 days of free trial. They have amazing collection, don't forget to check that out. It's not a sponsored video, I am just telling you what I felt about the app. So this is a very interesting read because it's about a fictional character, fictional actress of the 80s or 70s, and she's giving her biography to a young journalist, and it's a very fast-paced read. I'm loving the read, and she talks about her 7 relationships and 7 marriages with different men, and I'm totally loving the book. So I'll be talking more in detail about this book on my wrap-up video, so don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified of all of my videos. The next book which I have is a sequel to what I read in the month of April, which is One Part Woman. So this is like one of the sequels of the One Part Woman by Perumal Murugan. It's a very interesting book because it talks about a lot of things. If you haven't watched my April wrap-up where I talk about One Part Woman, then you will definitely know about this. So if you have seen that video, please see that, and I'll put it on the iCards as well as on my description box. Okay, the next book which I'm reading currently, which I forgot to mention before the Trial by Silence, is Nothing Lasts Forever by Sidney Sheldon. So I think it's been years that I read a Sidney Sheldon and I am so thrilled to read this book because it's a very fast-paced murder mystery thriller book. It has a lot of suspenses. I am halfway, I think, no, quarter way through the book and I'm totally loving the book. It's about 3 women doctors and there's a murder which has happened and one of the doctors is on trial. So I have no idea and I'm not expecting anything because I am just going with the flow of the book and I'm totally loving that. So I am going to be enjoying it and I am going to be purchasing more of Sidney Sheldon. So watch out for more Sidney Sheldon in my haul videos. The next book which I want to read in the month of May is The Pearl That Broke Its Shell by Nadia Hasmi. So I want to read this book for the Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month, which has been celebrated in the US, and they have given more importance to Asian American and Pacific authors. So I am going to pick this book and I have another ebook to read in the month of May, and I think I'll be enjoying this book because I've already talked about how much love I have towards the author and I'm going to be really enjoying the book, and I am definitely sure that it's going to be giving me a lot of tears, but I don't care because I love to read such books. So this is about Rahima, who is having 3 sisters and she is the youngest one, and when Taliban comes to Afghanistan and everything happens, I think she has to make herself like a boy, make up herself like a boy, and she has to go to school, and what all a boy can do is what Rahima is going to do. But she kind of finds out that she's not the only girl from her family who has done this job. She also comes to know about her aunt who already has done such a custom in their family. So I think it will be a very, very interesting read, and I'm so happy that I have a very good copy about this book. It's a fantastic, pretty book. So excited for this. The next book which I want to read and which I read and DNF'd because of The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, and which I loved, is The Animal Farm by George Orwell. I think I had this book in the month of February in my February TBR, but I couldn't read it. But when I started this book, it was very good. It was very funny. At the same time, it talks about a lot of things, and I kind of in chapter 4, and I want to complete and continue reading this book in the month of May. So I hope that I read this book. It's a short book, but it has a lot of things to convey, so it does take a little bit time. So, and I'm like looking forward. It's a classic, so I know that it will take time. So I am very, very excited to actually complete this book, because I don't want to DNF this book because it's a very good. The next book which I want to read for the month of Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month is Before the Coffee Gets Cold. So this is a Japanese book which has been translated to English, and this book is a very, very popular book on Bookstagram, and I've been seeing so many good reviews about this book. And I got this book as an ebook in the Scribd app, and I'm very happy because I think the physical copies in Amazon or Flipkart are always out of stock or always too costly. So I thought, okay, let me just pick this ebook and read this book for this Heritage Month. So it's about a cafe in Tokyo which gives all of its customers a chance to travel back in time, and it's about 4 customers who use this opportunity, and they have to sit in one particular seat to travel back in time, and also they have to return back to the present life before the coffee gets cold. So I think it's a very, very interesting book, and I think I'll be enjoying the book so much. I'll be letting you know my thoughts on my Instagram page, so if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow there. The last book, which is a carryover from the month of April, is Jojo Moyes' Me Before You, because I had a lot of mood picks in the month of April, and I kind of procrastinated reading this book. But I really want to read this book because I've been kind of anticipating to read this book right from 2020, but I kind of forget or I procrastinated for another good book. But this is a fantastic book and I want to read it, and let's see how this book goes. I have a lot of expectations to this book, so I don't want to discuss about this book, and it's a very popular book, so I think you must have known, and I've talked a lot about this book as well. So I want to read this book in the month of May. So I have 7 books lined up for the May, and I hope that I read all these 7 books. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed my picks for the month of May. I hope the lockdown brings about some change and stops the spread. I am hoping and crossing my fingers for something good to happen, because staying inside is really very irritating, frustrating, and it takes a lot of things to our health. So I think this comes to an end. So with all of that note, I will be seeing you on my next video. I think probably it will be a book haul video, because I've been collecting a lot from the month of April, and I'm still collecting because I have 2 more parcels to reach me. So once that's all done, I'll be putting up my haul video, which is huge. So stay tuned for all of that, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed. Bye bye and take care.